affirmations using affirmations-ai.com. This is my first time doing this, so I'm creating me an account. And we're going to make this a real quick one for you because I know you don't have that all day to sit here with me, even though I wish you did. So now I've got my account created. Pretty easy. Let's create our first affirmation here. All right. And so we'll click here. And let's stick with the basic for now. Let's just try it out for free. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. All right, now let's create our first affirmation. So we can either generate an affirmation or watch this video. Let's scroll down, see what else is available. Okay. Affirmation type. Let's just click the first thing we see. And all right, set your intentions. Hold on. Here, let's see. My intention is to become a highly paid YouTube creator this year. Income, income, let's say 18K a month. Wait. Okay, let's change this to let's use the word valuable here. A highly valuable YouTube creator, right? And it's asking us to select here. Okay, this is for mind and wellness. All right. I think they covered all the bases. So now they're creating our intention. Okay. Wow, this is pretty heavy, pretty deep. Getting a little lengthy here. All right, let's see what it says. As you, hmm, let's get to the affirmation here. All right, see, it can be pretty wordy, pretty flowery. All right, I see the affirmations here. Affirm quietly to yourself, I am invaluable. My content with nine. I don't know about this one. It's pretty. Okay, I think it could work. But I would definitely shrink this down to the affirmations only. And I see here we can even make this regenerate, maybe something smaller or choose an audio. Let's see. I don't think the audio is going to come through unless you choose a upgraded account. Okay, perfectly all right. But we do see we can make it as an audio and even select our own voice if we choose to when we're using affirmations-ai.com. There you have it. I hope this helped you out a little bit. Now we can put our own personal affirmations on replay in our own voice just to tickle the subconscious a little more and give our manifestations a deeper intent and purpose. All right. Thanks y'all for watching. And you